Good morning, students. Welcome all of you for the history class. And we are studying about the religion. And today we are going to study page number 41. Here it says, historians are of the opinion that it represents Lord Shiva as Pasupati. A clay figurine of Mother Goddess suggests that she was worshipped as the goddess of fertility and prosperity. Seals engraved with animals like the bull, elephant, and rhinoceros suggest that these animals were probably held sacred. The peepal tree and the serpents were also worshipped, and some statues also bear shoot marks at their bases, indicating the incense was burned as a part of a ritual. And this indicates that the Harappan worship idols. Here it says Shiva was also known as Pasupati, and Mother Goddess was worshipped for fertility and for prosperity. And here says the people they began to worship bull, elephant, and rhinoceros, and also peepal tree was known as the sacred for the worship. Okay, next heading it says the Indus script. People of Indus Valley used a script which consisted of about 4,000 picture-like signs called pictograph. Writings was done from right to left. Examples of these scripts are found on seals that most of which bear an inscription. However, the Indus script has not yet been deciphered. Next here says connecting bridges. Before the Indus Valley people entered the Bronze Age, Mesopotamia people had already established a highly organized society in the Fertile Crescent region in modern Iraq. By 2500 BCE, the influence of Mesopotamian civilization had spread far and wide, carried by the trade networks radiating outwards from the Sumerian cities. The Indus Valley people also had trade relations with the Mesopotamian people, as many in the seals have been found there. Next heading it says decline of the civilization. Why there was a downfall of the civilization? 5 points are given here. Here it says the Indus Valley civilization flourished for about 1000 years with very few changes in lifestyle, customs, and habits. Though these cities began to decline by 1500 BCE, the exact causes of the declines are not known. However, historians have made various suggestions based on evidence, including point number 1, natural calamities like earthquakes and floods may have destroyed the civilization. Okay, so why there was a decline? Because of the natural calamities like earthquakes and flood may have destroyed the civilization. Number 2, changes in the course of the river Indus may have led to mass migration. Because of the change of the course of the river Indus, the people they had to migrate from one place to the another place. Epidemic or fire may have destroyed the cities, maybe due to some sicknesses, or fire may have destroyed the cities. Foreign invention, probably of the Aryans, may have led to its decline, maybe because of foreign invasions. Next one, ecological changes due to deforestation may have led to the land becoming dry and uninhabitable. Okay, so these are the 5 points are given here. The decline of the civilization. So students, we are through with the lesson, and in the next class we are going to do the exercises of page number 41. Thank you all of you. God bless you all.